In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable custom keyboard shortcuts in Gmail. Custom shortcuts let you tailor Gmail to the way you work, reducing clicks and helping you move through your inbox faster. This process takes just a minute, and it works best on a desktop web browser. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and signing in. Look to the top right corner of the Gmail window for the gear icon, which opens Quick Settings. Click that gear icon to slide open the panel. In that panel, you'll see a link labeled See All Settings. Click it to jump from the quick view into the full settings area where all the advanced options live. Across the top, you'll notice a row of tabs. Find and select the tab labeled Advanced. This is where Gmail keeps optional features that you can turn on when you need them. On the Advanced page, scroll until you see Custom Keyboard Shortcuts. This feature allows you to remap many of Gmail's built-in shortcuts to keys that feel more natural to you, whether you're left-handed, coming from another email client, or simply prefer a different layout. Next to Custom Keyboard Shortcuts, click Enable. You're almost done. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh to apply your new setting. That refresh is normal and confirms the change is active. Once enabled, you'll have the flexibility to personalize the keys you use to compose, archive, label, and navigate emails, which can noticeably reduce the time you spend on repetitive actions. If you work across multiple devices, keep in mind that these settings apply to your Gmail account in the browser. The mobile app doesn't support custom keyboard shortcuts. If you don't see the Advanced tab or the Custom Keyboard Shortcuts option, the interface may look slightly different in your region, or your organization may manage certain features. In that case, the setting might be unavailable in that account. Also, if you enable the feature but don't notice anything different immediately, remember that the benefit appears when you start assigning your own keys later. The important part right now is toggling it on and saving. A quick tip to avoid confusion: make sure you click Save Changes at the very bottom after enabling the option. If you navigate away without saving, Gmail won't keep the change, and you'll need to repeat the process. That's it. You've successfully enabled custom keyboard shortcuts in Gmail, setting yourself up for a faster, more personalized email workflow.